Hello everyone, this is Nandita standing before you to give an explanation about composition of blood. From this composition of blood, we are going to learn about red blood cells or erythrocytes. Students, as previous lesson we learned about that blood consists of plasma which is called as serum, WBC and platelets, RBC which we can call as red blood cells. Now first from these today we are going to learn about red blood cells which are also called erythrocytes. Erythrocytes or red blood cells are round, flat, disc-like structures and they have no nuclei in the blood cells. Nuclei is not present in red blood cells. They are in red color because due to the presence of red color substance which is called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin carries oxygen and carbon dioxide from various parts of the body to lungs, from lungs to various parts of the body. Hence, takes place in the hemoglobin. It takes place in the part of respiration. In man, the number of erythrocytes are 4.5 to 5.5 million, means 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. Per cubic millimeter of blood. In human beings, the red blood cells are present in number of 4.5 to 5.5 millions, means 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs per a cubic millimeter of blood. These red blood cells are present in bone marrow. Or these erythrocytes are red blood cells. They do not live long in the body. In man, they have life for 100 to 120 days. After this duration is completed, in the place of these old red blood cells, the new red blood cells will be formed. These red blood cells will be, the old red blood cells will be degenerate, disintegrate and disappear from the body. This process takes place in the part of spleen. A new blood cells are formed in the place of red blood cells. The hemoglobin is a large protein molecule. It contains 4 atoms of iron. This is the function of the red blood cells in the human body. Once again, the conclusion from this lesson is the red blood cells, which may called also erythrocytes, and these erythrocytes are flat, disc-like and concave structures, and their nuclei is not present in red blood cells. A red color substance which is present in the red blood cells are called hemoglobin, and these red blood cells cannot live more time in human body. They can live 100 to 120 days in human body. These after that, in the form of these old red blood cells, new red blood cells will be formed, and that takes place in the spleen. So spleen is called as a graveyard of the human body. Per 1 cubic millimeter of blood, the number of red blood cells are 4.5 to 5.5 millions. And the hemoglobin is made up of 4 atoms of an atom. Thank you. This is Nandita from Sonu Academy.